how to display Hello World using HTML code. First, go to Start button, then search the notepad, then start typing HTML document using HTML tag, head tag, and body tag. After that, inside the body tag, type Hello World. Then go to File button. Then save as in the desired location. And then change the file name camille.html. And then the type is all files. Then save it. After that,
Wala siyang
you
picture.
open your HTML document. And that's it. Thank you.